Operators are falling in love with the EPCQE15 Walkie reach truck thanks to its ease of operation, reliability and excellent load visibility. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The EPCQE15 is available exclusively in Australia from Lencrow Materials Handling. Designed to answer user demands for lighter steering and responsive hydraulic operation, the EPCQE15 Walkie reach features an all-new, more responsive steering design that provides excellent manoeuvrability. Proportional hydraulic controls on both the lifting and reach functions give increased control to the operator, making the unit safer to use. The CQE15 comes with sealed AC motors and a highly reliable Zappi controller. This design both increases the battery operating time and reduces maintenance time and costs. Now, with lift heights ranging from 3,000 to 5,500 millimetres, the EPCQE15 Walkie reach truck covers the requirements of most modern warehousing and manufacturing facilities in Australia. For more information, call Lencrow Materials Handling on 1300 536 276 or visit lencrowforklifts.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.